What's up, it's your boy Damien Dupee.
All right, we're going to be talking about why do people sell below market value, you may be asking. I think one of the reasons people sell below market value is they're not aware of the development potential that the lot could possibly have. And what I mean by that is some lots you can subdivide into multiple lots, and sometimes sellers are just not aware of the updated zoning or how to survey a lot, how to get it subdivided, etc. Another reason people sell below market value is because they inherited the lot and they didn't even know they owned it. That's why I like delinquent taxes so much, because a lot of the people who own the lot are deceased. And you have to basically pull obituaries and find the relatives or the heirs, if you will. And a lot of times they are happy that you was able to find an inheritance that they can capitalize on. So that's another reason why people sell below market value. And another reason is some people have already made millions, especially old developers. They have already made millions of dollars. They own a slew of property, a slew of rentals. They're older in life and they just want to get rid of it. Most old developers that has vacant lots, they're not really pressed on the price, if you will. They're not like, oh, I gotta get this amount, or whatever you offer them. They're like, all right, okay, it's just sitting. So a lot of opportunities can be found with land because a lot of people or developers are not in the building market anymore, and they're not going to use it anytime soon. So they'll be happy to get rid of it. So these are just some examples of why do people sell below market value. And as you would see, a lot of people, they want a premium for their land. They're overpriced. And them are the people that I typically don't work with, but there are a plethora of opportunities out there. So let's get hunting.